Guys, you know that you can get a new skin, right? I mean a new trap. Well, guess what? I'm gonna reduce the sound. But I also got that script. I do not need to do anything. Somebody just got the skin, just did it for me. Somebody just need to do it. While I was I was doing a video about chapter 9, but I couldn't show you the video because its data was deleted. It's kind of like what happened to chapter 7 and chapter 8. But chapter 8 was different. Whatever. But guys, so yeah. Yes guys, wow, good. Actually, yeah, let's do Carnival because everybody is voting for it. But I need to be piggy, guys, to test out this the coolest app in the world that is just now noticed. Not infection. I could do infection or play plus. Guys, we should not do bot or infection because in infection you cannot. Bestie, you cannot do anything. Please be me. No, infection. We cannot play traps because it's infection. That time everybody will keep traps and all. You know what I'm talking. So, but if it was player plus bot, guys, that time it would be, yeah. Player plus bot, it's actually good. You can still keep trap setting, but player but guys, bot, you cannot even do anything else. You literally cannot do anything. But let me just pause the video. Oh, guess what? Why do I need to pause the video? Wait a minute. What happened to my guys? There's something weird, guys. My abilities, they're all gone. Where are my abilities? What happened to my abilities? What happened to my abilities, guys? Wait, maybe this will help me. Do the boom boom bam bam boom 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 thing. No, still what happened to my? What in the world happened to my? What happened to? Oh, the gun? But what? No way, guys, you could get a gun. Why did no one tell me that before? I never knew you can get a gun. Oh, sorry, potato. But let me just test if I can stun the potato. Because that's the real thing I want to see. If you can stun the potato in this mode, that time you can also stun. I think you can also stun the potato in build mode. I just hope you can do that. And great, there's no ammo anywhere. Ah! Oh shit, that's what Bunny do. She stuns. I thought she killed, that's why I always survived it. Hey, what do I do with this gun? It's literally saying that zero ammo. Wow, that was actually good, guys. I literally escaped to get kind of like how I did it. But I don't understand what happened to my items, my abilities. It's gone, guys. Wow, Bunny almost hit me there. Where's Potato? Potato's the potatoes not doing anything. Wait, who has the picture? Why are you going there? The potato is literally here. Mr. P is literally here. Go! Yep, we got it. I don't really need the ending, but I do want the coins. But I don't want to skip also because I need the coins, so I need to. But you can just see a recap because it is like the new trap. Let me just see a recap. Because yeah, and also Pig is getting a. Will just take a big break, guys. There'll be no updates until like 1 month or 3 weeks because Minitin is going on for an holiday for 2 weeks, more than 2 weeks. They want to choose. If they choose that time, okay, let's do bot. I mean, let's do horse. I think there's some vents the player can camp. I need player, okay. Player, please get player. No, why infection? Why did I always choose infection, guys? I literally skipped the Mr. P thing just because I wanted a player. Well, that's just. Please. Great, it's the one only thing. Let me just go in first player mode. Maybe I'm good at that. This looks not too bad. Oh, guys, this is actually wow. This is actually I'm getting good at this. I can go sideways. Wait, what? Seriously? Oh, actually good, guys. Now I don't need to, just play it again. This is actually good. Tick tock, tick tock. I'm scared. Wait, I'm scared. Player, please. I won't. Wait. Won't kill. If I'm player, I won't kill, guys. I'm just only gonna use the trap. I only will kill somebody. Yeah, please be me, guys. Everyone will tell that I should be the player. Everyone wants me to be the player because I want to kill. No! Guys, what the poop is going on? I literally lost all of my player abilities. I cannot see. Wait. I need to investigate what in the world is going on. But I need Piggy to spawn. I'm investigating here. Piggy spawn, and when I'll just do a giant. I'll just circle around when Piggy spawns. Hey, Piggy cat! Wow, actually Piggy is not catching me. This is actually cool. Hey, no! Actually, I need Piggy to hook me. Piggy, unmute. Now time to see items. Why is it saying 0 to 3? Did I not equip it? There's something wrong. Wait, why is it not showing any piggy trap equipped? Wait guys, I cannot go. Maybe I should do it all over again. No, this is how the piggy trap looks, guys. The super crawling trap. Wait guys, now it's saying 1, 2, 3. That's why. That's why it's so... Oh my gosh. Now I understand, guys. I just need to again this thing. I don't want to do the raider. I don't trust the raider thing because I think the raider won't be. I just did it. I don't know why, but I just think I should have done it. Oh guys, I cannot move. What happened? Why is it not letting me to go? Okay, so place a satellite dish that reveals the location of a nearby infected. Yeah, I think that will not help me, but maybe I should do it. So yeah, I guess I did got those. But yeah, I forgot But guys, I need to be the player, guys. I wonder if Piggy, those things is private. Wait, I cannot do anything with somebody else. Maybe let's play Big 2 and see if player. I need player. Please be me. But who's being selected? Yes! So lucky. Okay, but I want to test my guys. No, I'm Mr. P. Am I gonna fall out of the map? Good thing, wait. I forgot to not change this Mr. P. Okay. I think if I just close the chat, I'm gonna fall out of the map. So I'm not gonna close them, and I'm just gonna. Oh no. I'm not gonna move even a single thing. Let me test the new mouse setup. Guys, if you don't remember Kilmaya, she was the one who actually helped me to get my Let's just get this mouse trap. Yeah. Ooh, this is cool. Ah! I almost hit it. Hi. Wait, she didn't know that she can be a ghost? Okay, let's try the new. Wow, it's a portal. No. Oh my gosh! Let me just. Let's do that again. I kind of like it. Like, see guys, how it's like there. See, it's like. Come on here, Mr. Piggy. It's so fun. It's like a real. This is, guys. We haven't got like a piggy kind of. You know, guys, a piggy kind. Oh no. Hey, guys, I think I can. Oh my god. So that's what happens. So that's what happened, guys. That's so cool. So I can actually literally stand phony good. Let me also keep the mouse trap. Guys, oh my gosh. We haven't like got this a piggy type of trap like since the snow event. And guys, if you're telling, wait. Manvi, you forgot about the birthday piggy event. Yeah. I didn't forgot it actually. Wait, can I actually do that? No, it's not possible. But guys, I didn't forgot that. Oh wow! There's so many red. There's so many red alerts. Oh, so that's where you are, huh? We haven't got like a trap like this, but guys, it's technically a piñata, guys. You know what I'm talking, the piñatas. I think it's a piñata or those, bouncy hearts, bolo eating these. So it's technically one of those. I'm able to get it. I need to keep 2 piggies, guys. Let me see how it runs let me see how this runs, guys. Wow, can a potato not come here? Come on. Wow, this thing. Wow. So it's stuck. Oh my gosh, because this is stuck. Wait, it's stuck. Oh, wait, why is it going there? There's nothing there. Wow, this is fast. This is super fast, guys. It's. Why is it going through the wall? Is there somebody need a ball? Oh my gosh, it's just going through this. Oh, there's somebody. I found it. I found somebody, guys. No, I wanted my stick friend guy to come. This is kind of fun, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let me get a marshmallow thing also. Oh, looks like my ghost guy also found something. Oh, there's. Wow. My rat is actually faster than me. I wonder if that thing, guys, oh, that's. Wait, what happened to my. Oh my. He's still in the chase. You're gonna get into my hands when I spawn my little friend. The friend. I'm gonna spawn my friend, guys. Why is he a marshmallow? Why is Kilma a marshmallow? What in the world is going on, guys? There's literally a marshmallow here. Don't go down. Wait. Does it actually follow me? Does it actually fall? Oh. Wow, that's insane. Wow, guys, that's insane. That's incredibly insane, guys. I cannot believe that was even happening. Wow. That was something insane. Guys, you remember that I told that I won't kill? Maybe I will kill. I told that, wait. Mr. Mousey. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, my mouse went into the world. I cannot believe that if the jump scare. But guys, that does make sense a little bit. Mr. P will tin, that. Mr. P does, that will actually make sense for it. Pony doesn't have any scratch. Why we cannot see Pony has a scratch? But guys, I hope you like this video. This is the end of the video. I have to help my friend. So yeah guys, bye. Hope you like this video.